Hello friends, welcome to our new session Plus 2 Commerce Lesson 17 Consumer Protection. The final aim of modern marketing is consumer satisfaction. Dash is the king of modern marketing. Consumer is the king of modern marketing. As the consumer is having the rights, they're also having responsibilities. Which of the following is not a consumer right summed up by John F. Kennedy? That is, right to consume. It is a responsibility of a consumer that he must obtain dash as a proof for the purchase of goods. Cash receipt is necessary because cash receipt is the proof for the purchase of goods. Now move on to very short answer. Write a short note on right to be informed. Consumers should be given all the relevant facts about the product so that they can take intelligent decisions on purchasing the product. So you must give information about the product to the customers. The package should contain the full details about the name of the product, composition, dosage, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, batch, number, warnings, antidote, etc. So everything must be written in the product by the manufacturer. Manufacturer and dealer are expected to disclose all the material facts relevant and relating to the product. Second question, what do you understand about right to safety? There may be few products that are more likely to cause physical danger to consumer health, life and property. So there are few products which is dangerous and not good for health of a customer. In case of food items and drugs, both life-saving and life-sustaining safety is to be guaranteed. Unsafe items onto the shoulders of sellers rather than on buyers. So safety is compulsory. Whenever the manufacturer make the product, they must see the product is favorable to the customer. Next question, what are the rights of consumer according to John F. Kennedy? This question is asked in March 20 paper. The former president of USA, Mr. John F. Kennedy, defined the basic consumer right as the right to of safety, right to be informed, and the right to choose and right to be heard. This is very important and easy question. Safety, inform, choose, and hear according to John F. Kennedy, the right of consumers. Which is the supreme objective of business? The modern marketing concept recognizes the fact that the consumer is the pivotal point. Pivotal means important point around which the entire business moves. Satisfaction of consumer wants and needs is stated to be prime and supreme objective of business. What are the important aspects to be kept in mind by consumer while purchasing goods relate to the quality of the goods? It is a responsibility of a consumer to purchase a product after gaining a thorough knowledge of its price, quality, and other terms and conditions. The consumer has to have the knowledge about the quality, from his own experiences or from the experiences of other persons who use the product or by browsing the website. So customers wants quality product, so they will purchase the quality product by their own experience or from other experience. Next, move on to short answer. First question: what do you understand by right to redressal? The complaints and protests are not just to be heard, but the aggrieved party is to be guaranteed compensation with a reasonable time period. There should be prompt settlement of complaints and claims lodged by the aggrieved, aggrieved customers. This will boost consumer confidence and help render justice to buyers. There should be fair settlement of deserving claims in a definite time frame. So whenever the customers say any complaint about the product, it must be immediately cured or done. Next, what do you understand about right to protection of health and safety? There may be few products that are more likely to cause physical danger to consumers' health, life, and property. In case of food items and drugs, both life savings and life sustaining safety is to be guaranteed. Unsafe items on the shoulders of sellers rather than on buyers. Already this question has been asked. Next question, long answer. What are the rights of consumer? This question has been asked in the March 2020 paper in 5 marks. First one, right to protection of health and safety. Few products that are more likely to cause physical danger to consumers' health, life, and property. The consumers are entitled to protection of their health and safety from the goods and services they buy. They should not be supply goods or services which are hazards to their health and safety. Right to be informed. Consumers should be given all the relevant facts about the product so that they can take intelligent decisions on purchasing the products. The package should contain the full details about the name of the product, composition, dosage, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, batch number, warning, antidote, etc. Right to redressal. The complaint and protest are not just to be heard, but the aggrieved party is to be granted compensation within a reasonable time period. There should be prompt settlement of complaints and claims lodged by the aggrieved customers. So, whatever the complaint has been registered by the customer, if it is genuine, the decision should be taken very fast. Right to consumer education. The consumer has a right to acquire knowledge and stay well informed all through his life. He should be aware about his rights and reliefs granted to him where a product or service falls short of his expectations. Right to basic needs. Every consumer has right to get basic necessities of life such as food, clothing, water, and right to pure and healthy environment. It is the latest addition to Consumer Bill of Rights. Right to consumer protection. The consumer has a right to be aware of his rights and remedies available to him. Redress his grievances through publicity in the mass media. Consumer has a right to be protected against goods and services which are hazards to life and health. Now move on to next question. Explain the duties of consumers. Buying quality products at a reasonable price. It is the responsibility of a consumer to purchase a product after gaining a thorough knowledge of its price, quality, and other terms and conditions. The consumer should inquire about the price from certain shops and, if possible, from the government stores to get an idea of its price. Ensure the weight and measurement before making purchases. So, before making purchases, ensure the weight and measurements. The seller often cheat consumer by using unfair weights and measures. The consumer should ensure that he/she is getting the product of exact weight and measure. Consumer should check the weight and balance of the product. Reading the label carefully. It is a duty of the consumer to thoroughly read the label of the product. You must read the label. It should have the correct, complete, and true information about the product. So the label contains all the details about the products. Beware of false and attractive advertisements. Often the products are not as attractive as shown in the advertisement by the sellers. Hence, it is a prime duty of consumer not to get misled by such fraudulent advertisement. So, by seeing the advertisement only, don't purchase the product. Verify the product, check the product, and then purchase. Ensuring the receipt of cash bill. It is legitimate duty of consumers to collect cash receipt and warranty card supplied along with the bills. This will help them in seeking redressal for their grievances. So you must, whenever you purchase a product, you must take cash receipt and warranty card. It will be very helpful to the customer. Buying from reputed shops. It is advisable for the consumer to make purchase from the reputed shops or government shops like Super Bazaar, cooperative stores, and the like. So, it is advisable to customer to purchase a product from a good shop, not from the roadside, so that the quality of the product will be maintained good. Next question. What are the responsibility of consumer? This is also a very important question. The consumer must pay the price of the goods according to the terms and condition of the sales contract. The consumer has got a responsibility to apply to the seller for the delivery of the goods. He or she has to take delivery of the goods in time. So in time you have to take the delivery of the goods. The consumer has to bear any loss which may arise to the seller when the consumer delay taking delivery of the goods as per the terms of contract. So as per the terms of contract, if you are not taking the delivery, you have to pay the loss to the seller. The consumer is bound to pay any interest and special damages caused to the seller in case if there is any delay in the payment. So if you delay to make in payment, you have to pay the interest to the seller. The customer has to assiduously follow and keenly observe the instruction and precautions while using the products. So customer, whenever use a product, follow the instructions of the product. The consumer has the responsibility to express unambiguously to the seller of his requirements and expectation from the product. So he must inform to the seller about the expectation of the product. The consumer must seek to collect complete information about the quality, quantity, price, etc. of the product before purchasing it. So he must know about everything about the product. The consumer must get cash receipt as a proof of the goods purchased from the seller. So you must take cash receipt and warranty card, both the things. The consumer must file a complaint with the seller concerned about defects or shortcomings noticed in their products and services. If there is any defect in the product, the customer make a complaint. The consumer should never compromise on the quality of the goods. So you must not compromise with the quality of the goods. Up to this, our 17th lesson is complete. Thanks for watching the video.